What is Gucci my poochies? It's your boy Grizzy El-Sypheon, aka Big Boss Rig Roast. Today we have an interesting tutorial. We're gonna be attempting to turn this bad boy, see this little bad boy? We're gonna be turning this into a emulation station. If this works, this will be the perfect emulation station. Reason being is, look at the size. I can take this anywhere, put this in my living room, my bedroom, here, behind me, anywhere. I'm gonna be listing the specs somewhere on the screen or in the description if it gets too much. For anybody that does not know what an emulation station is, basically think of it like an arcade, like a hub where you can play all your classic games, Game Boy games, SNES, all that good jazz. Basically a plug and play system where you just install it once and then load as many arcade games as you want. You don't have to install anything. Everything is pretty much configured. So yeah, let's attempt to turn this bad boy into a full-on arcade system. Without further ado, let's go ahead with the setup. But before we do that, guys, let's get the formalities out. What you must do is hit that subscribe button. Do it. You have to do it. If you don't, I'm gonna be sad. Subscribe to this channel to support us, to keep us afloat. It doesn't cost anything. It's gratis. Please subscribe, it really helps the channel out. Slap a like on this video. So without further ado, guys, let's get started with the video. Roll the intro.
Why Grizzy on production?
Okay guys, let's get on with the video. So the system that we're going to be installing into this little computer is called Batocera. I believe it's a Linux operating system. If you haven't looked into Linux lately, please do look into Linux. Even me, I'm new to the game myself, but there's a lot of great things happening for Linux right now and gaming. So please look into it. But this is one of the many Linux distros. What it essentially does is it turns your computer into a whole arcade. Everything is plug and play based on what I know. And everything is pre-configured. You don't really have to mess with anything. You might need to tweak a few things. Pretty much most of the emulators in there is all configured, and that's essentially what this is, by the way. It's a whole bunch of emulators crammed into one system with a nice front end that gives it that arcade feeling. Okay, so we're going to be downloading this. We're going to go with PC because this is a small PC. It's like a office PC. I think I spent about 75 quid last time I checked. So we're gonna see how well it handles all these games that I'm planning to put on. So we're gonna download this, put it to the desktop. All right, cool. And in the meantime, I'm gonna get my flash drive. You must format this, by the way. You're gonna lose all your data, so be mindful of that. Let's plug this in. And I'm going to use a software called Etcher. Okay, so I'm going to minimize this. It's still downloading, so I'm going to give this some time and we'll be back as soon as it's done. I think the download is finished, so let's go ahead and open Etcher. Wait, I think I have to open as administrator. Wait one sec. Right click, administrator. No, what am I doing? Run as admin. Okay. I'm gonna load it with Batocera. Cool, so we've got Batocera loaded. Our target is obviously my flash drive, but I don't know why it's not hidden. Let's have a look. Nope, we're not trying to use that. Yep, there we go. Huh? Too small? Okay, well, news to you guys, you need something above 7 gigabytes. So I'm going to take this out. I'm gonna use There's one flash drive that I have Nebora on, so I'm going to try and use that instead. Cool. Let's look for our flash drive. 8 gigabytes. Yep, should be fine. And let's get flashing. I'll catch you guys in a bit. Okay guys, we are done flashing. Let's hop onto the other side and see what's crack-a-lacking. Okay, here's my blood clot computer. I'm gonna stick that computer. Sorry about my terrible Jamaican accent. Here's the computer, plug it in, and let's see. I'm gonna log into my BIOS first. Alright, let's go. to order Philips. I believe it's a Philips. Yes, Philips. Okay. Save changes, except. Alright, cool. Let me turn on. Pikachu says hi, by the way. He also says that you should subscribe. So I don't know what you're doing, but you want to subscribe. Look how cute she is. Yep, we're logging in. I can see Batocera right now. Just to be on the safe side, if you're doing this, please back up your hard drive just in case. You can do it. You can do it. We're in Batocera. I'm just gonna connect my controller. Come on now. This is taking its sweet time. But to be honest, that might be because of the memory stick that I'm using. It is pretty slow, so that might be the cause. Yeah, that is probably the cause. So, dude. Bear in mind, this is day 2, because on the previous day I tried to do this and I ran into some difficulties. Into Philips, because it's a Philips drive and it is slow as fuck. Front end music, turn off. Annoying. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Ready to go, pretty much. We are back. We're gonna be loading our Batocera with some games. So I've got my extra flash drives. So that's the first method I'm gonna show you, is how to do this normally with flash drive. Just gonna quickly format the disk real quick. Cool. Now let's load this bad boy. Mario 64. I'm gonna drag the whole file here actually. Loaded my memory card with games. I'm just gonna call this PS2, PS1. It's obviously Mario 64. We know which console that is. If you don't, what the hell are you doing here? We're gonna try GameCube as well. Let's try it just for the sake of this video. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back and we're gonna click, I believe, F10 or F1 of the Fs. F2. Okay. As you guys can see, here are all my games. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click copy. Inside the files, you'll see ROMs. So just paste it. It's time to test the games out. So we're going to start off with the easy one, which is the N64 Mario 64. Start with that. It's a bit slow, can't lie. I don't have a good feeling about this, because if N64 is dead, and that means PS4, sorry, PS2, PS4, you know. PS2 is going to be horrible. Okay, so we're back. Okay, let's try PS1. Street Fighter EX plus Alpha. Kyrie? Let's check PSP now, just to complete the PlayStation trilogy. Let's try GameCube. Welcome back, guys. This is Grizzy from the future, and as you guys can see, overall it was a success. If you're looking to invest into this small PC, this is what you can expect. So far, I'm pretty satisfied with the result. Basically, in conclusion, I'm still yet to test out a few more emulators, but overall, I'm satisfied with the result because it does work with PlayStation 2, GameCube. With PlayStation 2, there's still lag, so it's not 100% there yet, but with GameCube, it was 100% full speed, no lags, no issues. I still need to try out more games. However, the results for now is alright. for the price. But yeah, that concludes the video for today, guys. Hopefully you found this insightful. If you've tried this on a mini PC or a mini build, please post your specs and what emulators it work with. I'd really love to know, because this is an ongoing thing and I'm looking to build more systems in the future, more portable small systems that work with pretty much all consoles. I would love to know all the results that you guys have achieved with your build, so please post that below. If you found this video helpful, please like the video to help with the algorithm. Subscribe to the channel for more videos, and without further ado, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Adios.